Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from BM3 unit. We have chosen situation 5 as a topic of discussion for the task GEC 1052. I am Nur Isatisha bin Salam.
I am Norma Sarah binti Zamani.
And I am Atira binti Muhammad Abidin. In this era of globalization, environmental issues are a matter of concern these days. With the rise of pollution levels and depletion of the ozone layer, all the countries in the world are concerned about the environment. This is mainly because environmental degradation threatens existence of humankind. Also, environmental issues bring the harmful effect of human activities on the environment. This include pollution, waste disposal, climate changes, global warming, and the greenhouse effect. Pollution in the environment can have a massive impact on our health, which directly related to health issues like asthma, dehydration, and heart disease. Besides, air pollution not only impact health but can also trigger floods that make humans lose their life, home, and property, and it could also affect the flora and fauna. As a responsible individuals, we must take care and preserve the environment so that we can build a healthy and happy life. Miss Maisara, based on my explanation, what are your suggestions about how people can protect and take care of the environment?
Thank you, Izzati, for asking me. To protect the environment, we should save natural resources. Natural resources are essential for survival. Land, forest, water, fisheries, minerals, and air, these are all important to sustain life. But years of overexploitation in the name of technological advancement have amplified cases of deforestation. Fries, oil spills, and other ecological hazards. If overexploitation continues in the same trajectory, there will be no natural resource left for the future generation. Thus, it's crucial to take action now. Fortunately, there are many ways to conserve natural resources, many of which you can do independently at home. One of them is switch your light bulbs to energy-saving ones to reduce your energy consumption and carbon footprint. According to Morocco, replacing the lights in your home with LED bulbs can translate to a monthly saving of BHP 13 per bulb. So aside from conserving energy, you're also saving your wallet. Besides that, make sure to turn off your faucet or tap when you aren't using water. As simple as it sounds, many people still forget to do so when washing the dishes, brushing teeth, or bathing. We should also use renewable energy. For instance, solar panels are a great addition to your rooftop to soak up natural energy from the sun. Switching between renewable and non-renewable energy usage can make a huge difference. Miss Adira, do you agree with me? Or do you have any suggestion about this topic?
I always agree with you, Miss Mesara. My opinion is we can do campaign about how to protect environment. The government should do a campaign to protect the environment for the community. This campaign is to spread early awareness to the community of the importance of nature to us. For example, we can do protecting the environment campaign. As usual, the campaign will educate people to be more concerned on the environment condition. However, from this campaign, many new rules imposed and also activity that will encourage others on protecting the environment together. This campaign encourage more people to learn how the right ways to protect our environment. Moreover, the school should play a role to organize the campaign at school to spread awareness among the pupils, so they can practice in life to take care of our environment properly. In the conclusion, let's organize and join any campaign about our environment to have healthy lifestyle.
I totally agree with your point of view. I think we should also reduce the usage of plastic every day to make sure our environment getting better. Reducing the usage of plastic is essential because it prevents pollution and reduce the demand for fossil fuel consumption while saving natural resources and energy. It also reduces greenhouse gas emissions, which is carbon monoxide, which are contributing to climate changes. As we figure out, we need a lot of energy from non-renewable sources, which is water, which will generate greenhouse gas emission to produce plastic product and another things. The additional problem is that many landfills represent serious hazard without proper management. The only permanent way to eliminate plastic waste is by the thermal treatment, which is combustion. However, the impact of waste incinerator is often inefficient because it produces hazardous and toxic gases. So, we should reduce the usage of plastic by avoid buying plastic that cannot be recycled and reusable items such as water bottle and shopping bags so that we can reduce the usage of plastic. In this way, we will reduce using a lot of plastic bag and especially the light items such as straw and plastic bag that will get blown or swept away into the drain and into the sea. Plastic waste will hurt and kill marine animals such as fish, crabs, prawn, and other animals. Small animals will get smothered in a plastic bag. Meanwhile, large animals such as turtle and dolphin will get trapped in a plastic net and plastic ring. Entangled animals will slow death from starvation and suffocation. Thus, we can help to save marine life by protecting our environment and reducing the usage of plastic. I think that's my suggestion. What do you think about this, my Sarah?
I'm agree with you. In my opinion, other way to protect environment is use more organic ones instead of maximize the use of chemical fertilizers in plant cultivation. It is because organic fertilizers are naturally available mineral source that contain moderate amount of plant essential nutrients. They are capable of mitigating problems associated with synthetic fertilizers. They are reduce the necessity of repeated application of synthetic fertilizers to maintain soil fertility. They gradually release nutrients into the soil solution and maintain nutrient balance for healthy growth of crop plants. There is also the disadvantages of using chemical fertilizer. It causes pollution. Research by the University of Vermont found that chemical contamination from synthetic fertilizers can cause nearby waterways to turn green or clogged with algae blooms, take on an unusual odor, and deplete oxygen for fish and other species, which will suffocate them. Because of the effects of this chemical runoff, artificial fertilizers are often not considered environmental friendly. Miss Atira, do you have any point of view?
Miss Maisara, yes, of course I have other ways to protect our environment. This is we can plant tree. It is because tree provide oxygen and limit carbon in the atmosphere. They reduce air pollution, provide food, maintain healthy soil, and absorb sunlight as energy. Simply, trees are essential component of life on Earth. Nowadays, irresponsible parties doing illegal logging by cutting down trees in the forest. This has a negative impact on our environment. As responsible humans, we should take steps to plant trees. We can invite people to plant trees around their house or around their school. Tree plantation is very necessary because trees provide oxygen to environment and make the air quality better. If more trees are planted, then the world environment will become a safer place to live in. This plantation also reduce pollution, thus making the life of future generations secure. How about you, Miss Izati?
That's so true, Miss Atira. I totally agree with you. I also suggested that we should minimize the vehicle pollution to help with a better environment. This is because the fuel on which a vehicle runs get burned inside the engine, which in turn emits various harmful gases. The gases that vehicle emits are carbon monoxide, nitrogen dioxide, sulfur oxide, which are all of these gases are harmful for the environment. Furthermore, it hampers the health of a person to dangerous extent. Carbon monoxide is poisonous. This is because carbon monoxide will cause suffocation that can occur in the lungs, followed by difficulty in breathing. Also, these gases can cause global warming. That is a major problem in this era. Moreover, it can cause the ozone layer depletion, due to which ultraviolet rays can enter into our environment and can cause skin cancer. Foremost, vehicle pollution can get reduced by reducing the consumption of fossil fuels. Moreover, passengers should do bike and carpool so that the passenger can reach the same destination by less consumption of fuel. Also, it will save energy as they can drive the car or bike in a shift. This will reduce fuel consumption for personal transport and will become environment friendly. These were all the measures that will significantly help in the reduction of vehicle pollution. Ms. Maisara, how's your opinion on this main topic?
Yes, I have. For the last step, teachers need to play a role in applying environmental education among students. In this regard, schools are the perfect place to begin environmental education. Likewise, people play a huge role in creating environmental awareness among kids and nurturing the new generation for more respect and responsible behavior towards the environment. First, there is no better way to build respect for nature than to encourage learners to spend some time with the nature. A visit to the countryside, mountains, lakeside, and natural parks can hugely impact young minds. The little minds will acquire the awareness of nature and understand the need for a clean environment. It is easier to protect something you have a direct connection with. Second, teachers should arrange seminars and debates. Teachers should arrange talks and debates on environmental issues. The topic should be adapted according to the age and maturity of the school kids. The emphasis should be to make kids understand the environmental problems affect all, and every individual's participation is needed to tackle the challenge.
In conclusion, with pollution increasing each year and causing deterioration of the natural environment, it has become necessary to take steps to protect the natural environment. As we know, that the reason for all this problem is humans. Government should take policy to restrict their activity that are causing harm to the environment. If they are not stopped urgently, then the world might see some catastrophic destruction in the coming years. For example, climate change has been a huge problem, and This is one of the causes of increased pollution. A secure future depends on the environment as a whole. By making small change, we can make a big difference.
That's all from us. Thank you.